Alright, here's gonna be day 2 of my Project X, the unknown. Today what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try and get these tires off and then see if I gotta narrow these wheels, and if so, maybe get that done. So, I've seen some YouTube videos on how to dismount tires, especially these small ones and ATV tires and stuff, and they all make it look so incredibly easy, right? I can't imagine that it's going to be that easy, but we're going to give it a shot. These are actually some old snowblower wheels and tires. Alright, now there's kind of a negative pressure on it, right? That's cool, maybe that'll help me. So the first thing you want to do after that is break your beads. So the videos I saw all showed use some water with soap as a lubricant. I don't say how much, so I'll let you know. I put about 4 pumps from a hand pump in there. Now we'll see if I can't. Alright, well I'm getting it between, that's for sure. Open it like a jar of peanuts. Just get in there and pry that bead down like a jar of peanuts, because this is exactly how you open jars of peanuts, right? Pretty sure everyone here can agree on that statement. I'm lying. That's not true at all. Alright, let's loosen this side. So I'm not gonna lie, I tried this the other day to get those off the 6s that I cut. And had I watched this first, wow, that makes it a lot easier than actually just even cutting them. Not that I really needed to anyway, but yeah, I am impressed. Alright, let's get this side down now past the bead, or past the lip of the tire into the narrow spot of the wheel. Let's pry this up. Let's use my recently gained information and do it again. And then we'll probably try and see one more if we can, what we can do here. Alright, I got that. Still doesn't quite seem like it wants to pop free. Let's try it again. Boy, that's like more than halfway through. That better pop free. But it's not wanting to. What in Sam heck is going on here? There we go. Let's get the back up too, huh? I think it's just the width of the tire holding it now. There we go. Yep. Alright. Now, let's get the big tools. There you go. That was surprisingly easy. Let's carefully and away from ourselves. Just cut. Oh yeah, super soft. Once it's cut, pops right out. We're gonna replace those anyway. I gotta narrow these wheels because I'm putting 4-inch wide tires. So these are what? Bead to bead, 5 1/4, end to end, they're 6. I'm not sure which one it is. I'm guessing overall width, maybe bead width. But if we look here, I can take 2 inches out of there. We'll go for it. Try maybe a little bit less. So we'll pretty much cut a ring out. So let's see if I can put this on something and then I can spin the wheel along it. And there's 2 rings. Should be very close in size. Close enough. I gotta find a way to mark these and cut these. All right, now I need to get these marked for cutting as well. If I want a 4-inch bead, 4-inch wide, a little under actually. This is a little over 1/4 inch of material here. So a little over 1/4 inch. 3.5 is where I'm marking. I want to make sure this is seated flat on the bottom so it's the same everywhere. Let's go 3.5. Three and a half. I'm gonna put 1,000,000 marks all around this thing. There you go. I'm all the way around. Now for my marks, I'm gonna take some tape. Let's use the one I don't have much left on, huh? And I'm just going to connect the dots now. There we go. Rub it on there so it doesn't pop off. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, that is a straight line. There we go. So what I'm going to do there is I'm going to use a grinder again. And before I grind away all the paint, because it is right in that bead, I don't want to do too much grinding in the bead. I want to put a nice little bevel on that edge. So as you see, now I want the tire to match. And what that'll do is that'll give a nice place for my bead to, or for my weld to sit. Let's see here. I'm gonna go over this too real quickly. Just try and be nice and even. They're not quite the same, so let's just do a nice little bevel, just a little bit. But now that I'm gonna make these kind of mate each other, now I absolutely want to mark. There's that nice bevel. Look at that spot for that weld to sit into. Nice. Now, next thing I need to do is clean some of this paint off of them so they are, in fact, ready to weld. Alright, I got both my wheels stripped. One more thing I want to do today is grind these flat and clean up this center spot so I can grind in, or so I can weld in my new centers and drill new center holes. There we go, clean centers. Let's prepare one of these for it. These are the centers that I cut out of the original 6-inch wheels from that. Alright, there we go, and then those will get centered and welded into there. And then I'll back drill them. I'll probably back drill them first, and then but then they'll get welded in. There we go. Let's do the same thing now for this guy. Finish him up for the day. Alright, I'm out of time for today, but I got them all stripped where they need to be stripped. Both of them cut and narrowed. Perfect size, lined up perfectly, right? I got their reference marks just to be sure. And I got my centers both drilled, or both stripped and ready to go in there, get welded in as well. So that's all I got time for today. Another day, we'll do all the welding. Very nice. See you next time.